Okay, today we will talk about system of linear equation. Basically, a system of linear equation is a set of two or more equations. And the goal is still the same. You're looking for the unknown, in this case, which are x and y. So there are many methods that you can use. But the first method we will talk about is by substitution method. It might be sometimes the longest according to many students, but I think this one is more flexible, like it gives you more flexibility, not only in math class. So let's try to do it. So what's the idea? I'm looking for x and y in this case. I have two linear equations basically. So I will call the first equation A and the second B. It depends again, I have a lot of flexibility. I will try to find the expression of one variable in one equation that I will plug in the second one, and then after that I will go find the different values of the variables. What I mean by that? So let's take the first equation, which is A. Again, I could choose B, it depends on me. In A, I have x minus y equal 1. I'm looking for an expression of x or y. So in this case, I will do x. X is equal to what? X is equal to 1 plus y. X is equal to 1 plus y. So what does it mean? Now I can go back in B. And I replace x by its expression. By this way, I will have an equation with one variable. That's the short-term goal, basically. To have an expression with one variable. So in B, which is 2x, I just copy B, plus 3y equal 5. I replace x by its expression, which is what? 2, don't forget it's 2. 1 plus y plus 3y equal 5. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2y plus 3y equal 5. So 5y equal 5 minus 2. So 5y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 over 5. Am I done? No. I have the value of y, but I don't have the value of x. In fact, so I can use, from this expression, I can find x. So from x equal 1 plus y, what is the value of x now? X is equal to 1 plus 3 over 5, which is 1 times 5. 5 plus 3 over 5, which is basically 8 over 5. So my set of solution is x and y, it's a couple. So my solution are 8 over 5 and 3 over 5. So that was for the substitution method. Now, another method, another famous one, which can be very short sometimes, is the one by combination. Combination method. Again, let's do the same example. If you're right, we should end up with the same solution. The idea here is to have the same coefficient on one variable and then transform the system with an equation with one variable. What I mean by that? So you see the coefficient of x and y are what? 1, 1, 2, 3. I want to have the same coefficient. So let's take 2x, let's consider 2x. I want to have 2x there also at the top. Remember, I know that if I multiply both sides by the same number, I don't change the equality, so I can allow myself to do it. So in this case, I will multiply the first equation by 2 on both sides. So this first equation become what? If I multiply by 2 on both sides. I have the right to do it. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now I can subtract the first a and b. You see, this is my new a, this is my b. I can subtract a minus b. What do I have once I do a minus b? I'll just write it on the side just to keep tracking what I'm doing. I will have what? 2x minus 2x minus 2y minus 3y equal 2 minus 5. And now, what do I have? 2x minus 2x becomes 0. So minus 2y minus 3y is minus 5y equal negative 3. Oh, now I'm happy, because I only have one variable. And again, the idea here, I can divide both sides by negative 5. So I will have negative 5 over negative 5, and it becomes y equal 3 over 5. I know the answer for y, but I don't know for x. How can I find x? I can go back in any equation and replace y by its value and solve for x. In this case, this one seems easier for me because x has coefficient 1 already. So I will have from a, x minus y was equal to 1. So x minus 3 over, I replace y by its value, which is 3 over 5, equal 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus 3 over 5. And x is equal to what? 5 plus 3 over 5, which is what? Which is equal to 8 over 5. And the solution are the same. X is equal to 8 over 5, y is equal to 3 over 5. Thanks for watching.